from the base of the mushroom, you see these string-like threads where it was growing in wood chips and had some manure piled there as well. And that's the fungal mycelium from which this mushroom arose. And so propagating the line cap is actually quite easy. I could cut the mushroom off, take the base of this mushroom and plant it in some more wood chips or sawdust or straw, and it will grow.
Just that little bit of like an inch, that inch there, just cut that off.
Just this bottom section here where the threads are coming off of it. So I call that the stem butt.
Right. And you don't cut them to harvest them. You just yank them out, sort of thing?
You can do either. When they're in the ground, if you want to keep things as clean as possible, you can just cut it. But if you're wanting to take a look at the whole kind of, you might, as a gardener, you might think of it as a root structure, but it's not really roots. And you can take that section, the section that's under the dirt, and transplant it to a new location. Not all mushrooms can be propagated that way, but there are some, like oyster mushrooms, you can also propagate from a stem butt.
I see. And
the one cap are two of the most commonly grown ones. And also where it's growing, I could dig in and grab a clump of the wood chips that I have it growing in, and then transplant that or give it to a friend for them to propagate.
That was one of the questions about propagating. So and when you haul it out like that, it's not going to affect the yield of successive. There's all kinds of stuff still down there. It's all.
That's right. Because it's just like I said, it's like picking an apple off of a tree, and the tree is invisible to us. It's down underneath inside the wood chip pile or whatever it is it's growing on.